Hey guys, so I'm currently rushing to get out the door because I need to go get my prom dress sorted out. Today's Tuesday, prom is on Friday. I need to go get my prom dress sorted out and I need to go make the bus so I can go to a place where I can get a thread so I can sort my dress out. So I'm currently rushing to leave the house. And the place is quite far and I have no data, so I kind of don't know where I'm going, but I think I know where I'm going. But let's just hope I don't get lost and I don't die. So yeah, here's a little prom, get ready with me. Funsies. Hey guys, so a quick update. I know I haven't updated you guys in a while after I got my dress done, but I turned the back of my dress into a corset. Here it is. I literally made these like mini like bow things and I made 12 of them. I did 6 on each side. I sewed it together to make a little loop and then I sewed them onto each side and I made it into a little corset. I'm gonna show you how that's how it looked like before. That's what it looks like now, and I'll show you guys a video with it on. But yeah, hashtag DIY queen. And this is the bag that I'm taking. Let me from the flash and show you guys. So that's what it looks like. Look how like shimmery it is. I love it. And I added a little bow. I'm gonna add one on the other side to make it more pinky. Okay.
Compared to the first challenge, I think it's actually made a lot of progress.
Oh, well, I look like a star right now. Good morning, guys. It's the day of prom. So I got my nails done like 2 days ago. This is what they're looking like. So I'm getting my hair done today. That's why my hair's in the current state, so ignore it. But I just took an everything shower. I shaved, washed my hair, exfoliated, did all of that jazz. So now I'm gonna get my hair done. I made a to-do list. Here it is of everything I need to do today. So today's gonna be a stressful day. Currently waiting to get my hair done, blow dried out my hair, washed it. So it's just for me to get my wig done. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. Get ready for the big reveal. This is my hair. I'm scared if I like smile too much. I don't know why this pimple decides to come on the day of prom. Are you crazy? But right now I need to do my toenails and do my henna. So let's do that. The toes are done. It's plain white and I'm gonna do my henna now on my left hand because I can't do it on my right hand. But yeah, let's do that.
Since the amount there is 6240, so it doesn't matter.
How's your aunt?
I forgot to finish recording the whole entire makeup tutorial for my YouTube, but I did post the full thing on my TikTok, so here's my TikTok if you want to go watch the rest of it. Hey guys, so here's me in my prom outfit with makeup done. That's it, all fully. There we go, look in the mirror. I look cute, and then the back has my little corset thing. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, I'm just waiting for my friend to get her corset done. I did my henna. I'm gonna put my shoes on, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I can't play a lot of the audio at prom because of copyright, but here's some videos at prom.
You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See my days are cold without you.
Prom 2023!
Keep on running back to you. See my days are cold without you.
Hold up, chill out. Well, let me give you a clue.